Hello guys, so today it's another vlog and today's vlog guys we have the new Sony wireless duo microphone. Yes, we have the new Sony ECM-W3. Ayan siya guys. It's a dual wireless microphone. Of course, you can use already the receiver. You can connect a USB-C to your iPhone 15 which is USB-C or any mobile or smartphone uses USB-C and also a PC which is you can connect a USB-C connector. So again, guys, um, this is the new product again that we received from Sony. Again, if you're looking for two mic wireless to your Sony camera, check this and also check in the compatibility list, guys. Uh, it's it's a must that you need to check your camera if it's compatible on this wireless microphone. So again, we will try to check this duo wireless microphone unbox and checks what inside the box of this new Sony ECM W3 wireless duo microphone. So without further ado, again, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video, and tutorial. So without further ado, let's do the unboxing. Okay guys, so this is the box of the new Sony ECM W3. So let's start the unbox. Okay, this is the box. You have one paper here. I think this is the okay. This is the dead cat. Mm. Think you have two dead cat. What we yeah, this is a dead cat. Two dead cat. Okay. You have of course your manual. So I'll not remove the manual. You have the manuals there. One, two, and three. And and of course from down you have also the what's this? Charging case. This is the charging case. I thought it's a pouch. Yeah, it's a charging case. So it's like a DJI type, DJI case. And of course you have your transmitter, receiver, transmitter, receiver. What is this? So I have one. This is I think this is a receiver and two. Two transmitter, which is a smaller compared for the receiver. So this is the receiver and this is your mic, the transmitter. So this is the charging case. Let's see the charging case. Yeah, that's I think it's okay like this. And thing like that. I think you need to remove this transmitter or receiver. Then yeah. Okay. Just push this and done. Charge. There's a pin. So it goes like this, guys. Yeah. So this is the um Sony ECM DAS W3 charged with a USB-C. This is the size of the microphone, and yeah, let's try to use this one day in our vlog. So yeah, this is the wireless W3 or Sony ECM W3. So let's try to put the dead cat. So dead cat, it will be yeah, it will be I think like this, guys. That's why you have the point. Yeah, so this is how it looks, guys. You see this there's already pin or there's a like a 3.5 a fake 3.5 jack. Yan. So okay. So ayan. Okay. Yan. So again, this is the Sony um ECM ECM W3. And again guys, so this is the sound quality of the new Sony ECM-W3. So whatever you hear, what you get is what you hear, because I will not do an editing or adjustment to my audio. So again, this is the sound quality of the new Sony ECM-W3. So I have the transmitter with the dead cut, and you have adjustment on the the transmitter, the low cut LC, NC, low cut filter,
You have, what else? dB, yeah, you can change your gain of the microphone from the transmitter or the mic. And man, again, this is the sound quality of the Sony ECM-W3. So I put in the 0 dB. So yan. I think that's it for today, guys. Again, if you want to check the price and availability of this is new Sony ECM-W3, you can visit our website, www.abworld.com. All the Sony microphone is available there in our website, camera and lenses. So yan, I think that's it for today's vlog, guys. Again, if you want to check the price, all the Sony product that we have, www.abworld.com, and I'm using the Sony ZV-1. So, I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.